Alright, this video is for all the people who have 08, 09 Gsxr 600, 750s, and 1000s who all want to do the cat hack. Pretty much, you can use any slip-on, any aftermarket slip-on. I'm using a Yoshi TRC, and I purchased a OMR Mid Pipe from Mitchell. Cool dude. Hooks it up. And I installed it myself with my boy EFab right here. I don't know if you can see the decal. EFab. It took us about an hour and a half to do it. Just a little bit of grinding. I grind it after the weld. No, before the weld. I do suggest after you install it, you go ahead and get yourself a tune immediately. Me personally, I'm running the Bazzaz ZFI, just the fuel controller. Hold on, check it out. Just a fuel controller, nothing too special. I did go get a tune, and I'm running about 115 to the wheel. So I guess I'll turn it on for you guys who are all curious about how it's gonna sound. Yes, it does sound beefy. So hold on real quick. Let me go ahead and start it up. So yeah, that's the pipe. Nothing too special. One little last chirp. Yeah, so that's the video. Alright, y'all.